Look at this! Aw, cute little kitty.
Quit playing around! You're the one to blame for...
I know it's a little early, but I think I'll start on dinner. Stay out of that kitchen! Okay. I'll cook tonight.
It's possible I might starve. Same.
We're home. Hey, everyone.
And we're saved.
You should head back inside and warm up. I'm almost done here anyway.
You sure?
I'm a little hungry, too.
Well, in that case, I should get to cooking. I'll let you wrap things up out here.
Toru! Is dinner ready yet?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Sounds kind of crazy, huh? Man, it's hot.
Do you need something to eat?
Yeah, I haven't had lunch yet. Crap.
Right?
Oh my gosh! I'm sorry, I don't know why that happened.
Because you're hungry? You really get embarrassed about the weirdest things.